My dear friends, today in this video I am going to discuss what is government, and in fact I am going to make a series on this topic. Okay, so before starting the video I would like to introduce myself first. My name is Rajdeep. I read in BA third semester and I welcome to everyone in my YouTube channel Political Study, and it's my request to everyone, please subscribe my channel so that relevant videos relating to political science will be available to all of you. So let's come to the point. So now, what is government? What is government? See, generally when we listen the term government or the word government, simply in our minds come that government means what? Sarkar. Government means what? Sarkar. Right. So today in this video, and in fact in this series, I will try my best to make you clear about this topic. Okay, so let's come to our topic. What is government? See, a government is an institution. A government is an institution or a system made of a group of people. That takes care or manage a country or a state. So what is government? Government means it is an institution or a system made of a group of people that takes care or manage a country or a state. And you know, every government has its own ideology. For example, in our last MP election in the year 2019, which political party forms the government? NDA. Right, NDA forms the government. So NDA has its own ideology, and every other political parties have their own ideology, constitution, or a set of fundamental principles that it follows to ensure effective governance. So government means what? Government means it is a system or a group of people governing a country or a state, or in a very simple way you can say that government means it is a group of people that rule or control a country. Okay, this is the meaning of the word government. Now, as we know that India is a democratic country, and India is one of the world's largest democratic country. And in a democratic country, people choose their government through what? Through election. And in India, after every 5 years, MP election take place. MP means member of parliament. MP means member of parliament, and these MPs are the member of Lok Sabha, which means lower house of the parliament. Now see, as India adopted the democratic form of government, and you know, a democratic form of government is divided into two types. One is parliamentary form of government. Parliamentary form of government, and the other is presidential form of government. Right. So a democratic government is divided into two types. One is parliamentary form of government and the other is presidential form of government. And my dear friends, India adopted the parliamentary form of government, where executive, please try to remember this line, okay, because it is very very much important, where executive is responsible, or answerable to the legislature. In a parliamentary form of government, the executive is responsible, or the executive is answerable to the legislature. That means legislature is supreme. Right. On the other hand, presidential form of government, where executive is supreme. For example, USA. In USA, the president of USA is the supreme, means the executive is supreme. Okay, Now, as I have told that India adopted the parliamentary form of government, and Indian parliament is based on the system of bicameralism. Indian parliament is based on the system of what? Bicameralism. Bicameralism. Bicameralism means what? Two house. Bicameralism means two house. One is upper house. Upper house means Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha. And the other is lower house. Lower house means Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha. So bicameralism means two house. One is upper house means Rajya Sabha and the other is lower house means what? Lok Sabha. Okay. Now, as I have told that in India after every 5 years MP election take place, and these MPs are the member of Lok Sabha, which means lower house of the parliament, and through this MP election the party which will get majority seat in Lok Sabha, that party forms the government. So government, you can say that it is a collective efforts of politicians, political parties, government officials and public. So you can say that government is a collective efforts of politicians, political parties, government officials and public. So what is government? Government means it is a group of people. It is a group of people that govern or control a country. Okay, this is the meaning of the term government. Understand? Clear? Now, in this series, I will discuss about types of government, levels of government and functions of government. About this topic, I will discuss in this series. So, I think that this video is helpful for all of you, and if you like my today's video, please click on the like icon, and if you have any doubt regarding this topic, you can comment me in my comment section, and don't forget to share this video with your friends, and please follow me on my Instagram ID. For today, I have finished here.